It's my personal experience, what I went through. I just wanted to share. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Divyani Sonane, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. And if you're already subscribed, press the bell icon to get the notification every time I upload the new video. So as the title suggests, today's video is about Mamaearth products review. So I bought this product a long time back. I have also mentioned my Nykaa haul that if you guys want a review about it. So a lot of you guys asked me to do a review about Mamaearth products. So
I forgot to mention names in the video, so a big shout out to Sujata Utta and Namrata Raj.
So little disclaimer, I bought all these products by my money, my own money. It is not a sponsored video and I just don't want to defame any brand or anything like that. It's just my experience, it's my personal experience, what I went through. I just wanted to give a genuine review about Mamaearth. So here we go. So I have used all the products. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ किया है या एक दो बार यूज़ किया है. मैंने लिटरली प्रोडक्ट्स पूरे ख़त्म किए हैं and then I'm giving you this review. So the first thing I bought from them was the hair control kit. I'm gonna insert the picture on the screen because मेरे वाले बहुत मैंने बहुत यूज़ कर लिया है, इसलिए उसका सब पैकेजिंग भी ख़राब हो गया है एंड एवरीथिंग. तो इसलिए I'm gonna insert a picture on the screen. It was 999 rupees and it came with shampoo, conditioner, serum and hair oil. In 4 steps, you have to oil your hair, then you have to wash them, conditioner them and then apply serum every day. So the whole kit is good. The only problem with the kit is that the conditioner is not makes my hair smooth and all. Monsoon is going on, so my hair are really frizzy. So yeah, that's one negative point about the hair fall kit. What I like about it that my hair fall actually reduces. Serum and oil are the best thing about the hair fall kit, but I didn't like the conditioner. It doesn't smooth my hair. Shampoo is good. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not like best either. It's medium. So yeah. So let's go to the another shampoo I bought. So I bought the onion shampoo. This product didn't suit me. It claims to reduce hair fall, but on my hair it did exactly the opposite job. My hair fall was like increased on another level. I tried it for once, so I thought let's give it a one more try. So I used it twice. Same happened for hair fall control, but it is showing a very different effect on my hair. So I stopped using this shampoo. So yeah, that is the reality. Let's talk about the products I really like. So vitamin C serum. I'm gonna show you here. So I am already on my 3rd bottle. So first I thought कि it is not working. I mean I wasn't seeing any changes on my skin. मतलब ऐसे it is a vitamin C serum, so I expected glass skin type look. The Koreans have so I expected that. But I was getting a little bit glow, but not so much. I finished 2 bottles. And I started to think that it's not working. I mean it's doing nothing. Then I stopped using this product. After 8 days or so, I started to get pimples and everything. I used it the 2 bottles for like 1.5 months or so. During that period, I didn't have any pimples, no acne occurred on my skin. So I didn't notice back then, but as soon as I stopped using this product, after 8 days I started to get acne and everything, and my skin was not good as it was when I was using vitamin C serum. So again started to use it and my acne was gone. So I don't know about radiant skin and everything like that, but it is like working on my acne was visibly reduced. It is giving me a little bit glow, but I am definitely in love with this product. So yeah, vitamin C serum, yes, best one. So next we have Bye Bye Blemish cream. So it is for uneven skin tone. So I have uneven skin around my mouth area and on my forehead. So I started to use it, but it did not reduce my uneven skin tone. So it did not work. I literally used whole bottle, but it did not work. So next we have Skin Correct Face Serum. This is the Skin Correct Face Serum. It is for acne marks and scars. So I did have some acne scars on my right side. It did work. I mean, it is working really slowly, but it is working. It is visibly reducing my acne scars. So yeah, this serum is working. So next product we have onion hair mask. I did have another bottle, but in the bathroom, so I didn't want. I'm just showing you this small size. So this onion hair mask. Not working on my hair. My hair are like so frizzy. It is even not giving me that smoothness I was hoping for. It did not work really well on my hair, so I didn't like this product. Next we have vitamin C sleeping mask. I also mentioned this in my Nykaa haul. If you still haven't watched it, I'm gonna link above here. Please go and watch that video. So this sleeping mask, it contains aloe vera and vitamin C and lemon. It's also do smell like lemons. So these products, I mean, it does give a little bit glow in the morning. When I apply it in the night, it does give a little glow in the morning. It's working, but I mean, I'm not seeing a like big difference. But it is working. I mean, it does give me a little glow in the morning. So yeah, I'm still using it. It doesn't have any side effects or anything. My skin is very sensitive, but it's working on my skin. So yeah, it is also a good product. So next we have their vitamin C face mask with vitamin C and kaolin clay. तो इसका मैंने ऑलरेडी एक रिव्यू कर दिया है, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन टाइप एक वीडियो बनाया है इसके ऊपर. If you still haven't watched it, I'm gonna link above here in the description box below. Please go and watch. It's a versus वाला video, Innisfree versus Mamaearth. So please go and watch. So that was like a first time after using that first time, but I used this product quite a few times after that. So it contains clay mask. It is a clay mask. It's good for oily skin, and my skin is acne prone skin, oily skin. So what it does, it gives that clean look. It makes my skin little dry. I use it when I applied a lot of makeup और थोड़ा ज़्यादा देर रख लिया है. So after that I use this mask, to clean and everything. So yeah, it's okay product. What we have next? So next we have Upton face mask. Okay, it's with saffron and turmeric and apricot oil. Okay, so it's a skin brightening face mask. So I used it twice. It's a good face mask. I mean, it does give that brightening effect. You can see totally after one use, you can totally see the skin brightening effect. So I like this product. It does not makes my skin dry like the vitamin C mask do. It does not makes my skin dry. So I really like this. I'm gonna buy this mask because this one the free. I used it totally. It's khali. I used it. It's a good mask. So yeah. So thank you for watching, you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below, share and subscribe. If you haven't already, please कर दो. इधर ही नीचे button है, please कर दो. So yeah, that's about it today. I'm not defending Mamaearth or anything like that. Every brand has their good products, bad products. So reviews are meant to be brand will improve their products and reviews are meant for that. So yeah, so bye.